Hi, and welcome to the Urban Classroom. I'm Mrs. Briggs, and I teach 8th grade U.S. history. I have been teaching since 2001. I've taught in Compton Unified School District in Compton, California, and I've taught in Houston Independent School District in Houston, Texas. And now I'm teaching on YouTube. So again, welcome to the Urban Classroom, where scholars can learn about U.S. history from the establishment of the original 13 English colonies to settling the Western frontier after the Civil War and Reconstruction. In the Urban Classroom, students will learn Common Core state-aligned standards for 8th grade U.S. history. Now, that should make your family happy because at least you're not on TikTok all day. Well, learning on an urban classroom setting is going to be a great way for you to prepare for common assessments and to get ready for state testing. So be sure to subscribe and join the group to learn from a storyteller who enjoys being animated, captivating, and just plain silly. I'll post a video lesson every school day of the week. So thanks for stopping by and have a great day. Make it a great day. Bye.